Jonka Lang Jongi Haka Ngi Bimbao Yaka Jingi Jongi Hakaben Bangala Banaterawa Yakane Ka Eucharist Bakhuid Rinkat Baka Linsiem Jongu Archbishop Dominic Jala Ba Jompi Kilindo Barikat Bapi Malo Shibin Haka Por Mensengi Insale Burong Yaka Eucharistic Bakhuid Daka Procession Bashangun Batbasi Lehem Jongi Tu Trai Babaha Wonekirku Yagi Aro Doai Bangin Bimbao Yaka Jingi Basisha Yabut Jisu Bimba Kine Kijinglet Nyam Jongi Binda Kasani. Dear bishops, dear brothers, sisters, friends in Christ, in a matter of a short time, our world has changed. God has challenged us to accept the events with the eye of faith. When I was invited by my dearest friend and your beloved Archbishop, His Grace Dominic Jala, I considered that as a conspiracy of grace. Your Archbishop was a Salesian like I am. I was deeply inspired by his missionary zeal, his love for liturgy, his passionate love for the Catholic Church. I was counting my days to be with him and his great flock, all of you. It would have been an immense joy to see his smile and presence. But life is a mystery. I'm deeply saddened by his absence, the empty chair in the cathedral. Masmusi Shibun, Yaka Jingbun Donan, Jonu Archbishop Jala, Kasuki Jonu Katri. What a great loss to the Northeast and the whole of India. He has gone to celebrate the eternal liturgy. Our life is always a call to believe in faith. We believe in the communion of saints. I strongly believe Archbishop Jala's spirit hovers over this function. You will never forget his flock. Today you have a strong intercessor in heaven. You will be overjoyed to see this function from heaven. Bishop Jala, pray for your people. I am told that the Khasis are the first tribe among the many in the northeast that God chose to share the gift of the Catholic faith. Like the Israelites, you are the people who have been especially chosen. You have been blessed with such a privilege. A day like today, we can certainly see how wholeheartedly you responded to the Lord with your yes and lived this faith so intensely. Following your examples, many other tribes embraced Christianity. You are all great apostles. Baruch Pilon, the apostle Bakrao, preaching not through words, but through your witnesses. May the Lord bless you hundredfold. Today we gather here for a celebration of Eucharist. This is my very first visit in my life here, this part of India. I have heard so much about the Northeast Church in India. I have been inspired by the stories narrated by Archbishop Jala and also Archbishop Thomas about your deep faith and the spread of the church. I have heard about Khasi's people and their love for Christ's message. Nala Yosanum, Span Jompi, Di Hakasi, Pas Shapan Kachengi Jompi, Yaika Kubo Bahama Jesus Christ. If my pronunciation is all right. Yours is a vibrant church. It is so energizing to be with you. I am looking forward to the Eucharistic procession also this afternoon. Today's message is the life of your beloved Archbishop. All of you know his love for quality liturgy, his love for Eucharistic celebration. He always lived by the Vatican II theology. Eucharist is the source and summit of our spiritual life. In celebrating of this mystery, he experienced the living, loving, and liberating God. We have gathered here to continue his devotion to Eucharist. Eucharist is the center of our life